Oh, it's blooming gorgeous. I just realised we've been filming this with blowing co-op back in the background full of packing peanuts. That's so cute. Oh, is it on? Oh, it is. Blooming lovely. Hi guys, so today's video, I thought I would share with you something I just got through the post. So this wasn't a planned video, but I got a random parcel from Lush. Who doesn't love that? So I thought I'd share it with you. I went to the door. Wow, Rudy was being a bit groggy. The door knocked and I was like, should I answer it? And I was like, oh, the telly's on, they can probably hear me. So I went and answered the door. And it was a DVD guy with a Lush parcel and I thought, well, I haven't ordered anything, so this is exciting. Just thought I'd come on and share it with you, you know, share the love. Wouldn't get them if it wasn't for you guys. So today, Friday the 15th, is it the 15th? I think it's the 15th. I think it's International Sleep Day. So it's all about getting a good night's rest, sleeping, looking after yourself, all of that jazz. Don't know when this video will be uploaded. It might be tomorrow, Saturday, so, but Lush were doing a thing today as well. If you go in your PJs into the shop, in store, they'll give you a free sleepy body lotion. So if any of you guys did that, do tell me. I don't think I'd have the balls to do it. I'd be too scared, but if any of you have, let me know. That'd be so fun. But we got sent this is a PR parcel, so I'm assuming everyone's got one. A cute little box like this. So it's a regular packaging box. And then it's got these little, there's a lot of hair there. Get off. Got these little doors here that open up, and there's some products inside. So it's basically, you've got two sections. You've got your good night's rest one and your wake up energized one. So they've sent 3 products in each to promote a relaxing nighttime bath and an invigorating morning shower or bath, whatever you prefer. I thought this was really exciting, and I purchased the Temple Balms myself, and it's along the same sort of vibes as those, so I think they'll go fantastically with this. I didn't get a letter or anything with it. I don't know if there was meant to be, so I'm not sure if there's more to this, but from what I've gathered from looking in it and what Lush have been doing recently, it's to do with what I've just said. So let's take a look. I'll share with you guys what's in it. This is very exciting. So you open up your door and it says, so this is the Calm Your Nights section, and it says, did you know soothing scents can help you relax and wind down? Sleep tight with the Sleepy collection made with calming lavender and sweet tonka absolute. Discover some of our best-selling products for nighttime routines. So these 3 products are, of course, the iconic Sleepy Twilight Lavender scent that Lush do, that is in and of itself legendary. It's gorgeous. I don't know anybody that doesn't like this scent. It is so relaxing. It's fab. I'll show you what products we've got. Perfect little routine they've sent here that you guys can go get as well if you did want to. This is going to be super relaxing. I'll do a little short video on both of these, trying them out. I've tried all the calming products I've tried previously. I've got upstairs and what have you. But the invigorating products, I've not tried any of them, so I'm very excited to try those ones out. But let me quickly show you what's in the Calm Your Nights section. So first off, which will be the first thing you'd use in your little bath time routine, is the Twilight Bath Bomb. Oh God, my nails, I'm so sorry. I apologise for my nails in every video, don't I? But they're just so gross. This is stunning. I have one of these upstairs, but I was avoiding using it because I was trying to save it. I don't know why, but I was just saving it for like a proper special occasion. But I've got another now, so I'll bash that one in the bath when I do this little routine. And then I have another one. Oh, it's blooming gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Lavender, like it says, the sweet tonka comes through as well. It's not just like pure hit you in your face lavender. There's a sweetness to it as well, which is really lovely. So you pop that in your bath, have your little bath bomb moment. I've just realised we've been filming this with blowing co-op back in the background full of packing peanuts. Next up, you've got your Sleepy shower gel. Again, this is gorgeous. The exact same scent. I find the shower gel to be a little bit milder. Bath bombs do tend to be a little bit stronger than the shower gels, I think personally. So this one says, sleep, drift to sleep. Sweet tonka counts the sheep. Lavender shakes the dreamland tree. And from it will fall sweet dreams for thee. That's so cute. But yes, a little sleepy shower gel as well. I do have one of these upstairs, but I'd love another. Well, I've got one, and my partner would love it as well. He's really been sneakily robbing my shower gels, and I'm not here for it. So maybe he can have a little go with that one. Then finally, the last product in that little sleepy section is the Sleepy Body Lotion. Oh, there we are. Super cute. This is the actually, I think this is the smallest tub you can get like this, but in gift sets you get a little smaller one as well. Just a lovely, it is purple in real life. It does look a bit grey on the camera though. Lovely purple, lovely thick cream. Gorgeous. Very nice, super moisturising. Smells phenomenal. When I do a sleepy routine at night, I do pretty much those products, and I'll use either is it Sleepy Bubble Bar, or is it called something else? I think it's the Sleepy Bubble Bar, the cloud one, and then I'll use my Twilight spray before I get into bed as well, and that's just a whole love it. So that's that section, and then let's move on to the like invigorating section. Here we are. So you've got your little menu there that they've popped in it for us. So let's have a little read. So first thing we've got another shower gel in this one, and this is the Happy Hippie shower gel. Absolute classic of Lush. I think I tried this when I was younger, but I haven't tried it recently, and I was going to buy it the other week, but then I told myself, I was like, no, you have too many shower gels as it is, so don't. So I didn't. But I'm so glad this is in here because I've been absolutely dying to try it again and see if it smells like I remember it smelling. And it does. It's beautiful. The description says, a breakfast boost for your body full of zesty bergamot and grapefruit goodness. And that's exactly what it is. It's super zesty. The grapefruit comes through quite a bit. A tiny bit of lemon, I feel like. It's just that really fantastic, invigorating scent. I'm super excited to try this. You know me, I love anything citrus. I love it. Just like my favourite scent. Next up, we've got a Cup O Coffee face and body mask. It says, start your day with a blend of invigorating, fresh ground and hydrating agave, is that how you say it? I think it is, syrup. So you smooth this mask all over your skin, leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Fantastic. So it's in a little tub like this. Beautiful. Let's have a little look-see. Doesn't that just look fantastic? Like, wow. Oh, it's lovely. I love the look of that. I don't know why. This is gorgeous. It's not too overpowering of coffee. I thought it was just going to smell like coffee grounds, and I wouldn't have been a fan of that because I don't like too overriding coffee scents. But that's just enough coffee. And it's got some other stuff in there as well. It seems like a tiny bit chocolatey. I don't know. Something else is going on in there. It's beautiful though. Maybe it's the agave syrup. Oh, there's some vanilla absolute in there as well. That'll probably be why. So yeah, it's can you see? It's a tiny bit runny, but it's a mask, so I would expect nothing less. But that's really exciting because you can use this on your face and your body. So we'll give that a go. I mean, I do get a little bit of, I don't know if this is TMI, but in between your boobs, I get a few spots every now and again. So it'd be nice to try in between there, see if it gets rid of those. Yeah, I'm really excited for that. Love it. And then finally, in the Refresh Your Days section, that's what it's actually called, I don't think I said, you get the Dirty Body Spray. And this says, freshen up with mood-boosting spearmint, woodsy sandalwood and calming lavender. Beautiful. Now this, oh, is it on? Oh, it is. This is fab. Like, when I read spearmint, I was like, I don't know if that's for me. But yes, it does smell spearminty. It does. But the sandalwood really comes through. And to me, sandalwood is quite a manly, masculine scent. So it's spearminty with like a hint of like aftershave, I'd say, or like a man's body spray, which I'm there for. I love it. I wear Barry's perfume sometimes, aftershave sometimes, because it's really nice. So yeah, this is blooming lovely. Blooming lovely. So yeah, those are the 6 fantastic products that we've got in that box. I'm so grateful. Thank you again, Lush. Always so thankful and grateful. I really do appreciate it. You've no idea. But I'm super excited to try all those out, especially the invigorating section, because I haven't tried those before. So there will be a video of those coming up shortly. I've got a lot of videos that I need to film. I think I need a day where Barry looks after the baby for a couple of hours and then Charlie just goes and pampers and films loads of videos. But yeah, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Wonderful little way of relaxing and waking up. And like I said, you can use your temple balms with both of them. Yeah, and you can use the Dreamtime one for the nighttime, obviously, and the Whoosh for the morning. So it's a whole little vibe that Lush are doing recently. I think it's beautiful. Really nice concept. But yeah, thanks for watching. Obviously you can go grab those bits yourself if you did want to, which is really nice. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.